we don't condone violence in this center. I am Zen.
I'm Ella.
Hi, my name is Jimmy.
Hi, my name is Lionel.
Okay, I'm Candy.
I'm Jeff. My Chinese name is Fang Shijie. My short name you can call me Shijie.
I think that time that Gwen came into the classroom.
It's normally when Gwen is around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a student here where even we as students and as teachers, we like to poke fun at. So it's been going through for the past 2 years.
When Jimmy and one of his classmates was made fun of. And I don't know why it might got quite serious.
Okay, I don't know, is it as hard as it to believe? I really had zero. Had none. We call it what, evergreen? Dating around, never hold hands kind, and maybe one or two, okay? But really serious one, none. I spent too much time here teaching, so maybe we should just blame Gavin for this, for me being sick.
Gavin, it's all your fault that was this.
Oh no, okay, Ella said it, not me.
I had before lah.
You had?
Yeah.
As if I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh my god, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know him eh.
Zero. Never kena because she went back to her home country, Taiwan. Yeah.
I have two.
Two boyfriends.
Previously, two girlfriends.
So this is a math question.
Okay.
Found.
Okay, I know already, so there will not be any collaborating because I know already.
What the?
I'm not good with this kind of number pattern.
Yeah, your math how? Math also got number pattern, right?
Skip ah.
Oh, okay.
Is it not 87?
Oh no.
Just upside down.
Oh.
Oh.
87.
What? 87! Fucking 87.
I'm good at math. She sucks.
Hey!
Very strong.
She's the one who couldn't do more calculations.
No, I could.
Oh my God.
As if.
I could.
This happens a lot, by the way.
The previous time my Chinese was not improving. So my dad sent me here to take tuition. My dad found out that my Chinese has improved a lot.
Yeah, thank you for actually teaching me for 4 whole years straight. Yeah, I just really appreciate what he can teach me because it's quite different. Like his perspective is very different from school. Like sometimes also treat me food also.